How are you thinking about integrating BEEDOCS Timeline 3D with the iPad?
So Steve Jobs a couple of weeks ago introduced the new Apple iPad, which looks like a really cool device. I can't wait to try one out. And since they announced that, we've been getting emails asking, are we going to see BEEDOCS Timeline 3D on the iPad? So, like a lot of developers, I've been thinking about what does this new device represent as far as opportunities for software design and kind of new uses for a computer. And so far it seems to me that the iPad is really optimized for consuming content, for checking emails, surfing the web, watching movies, that kind of thing. But it still seems to me that the Mac, the desktops and the laptops, seem optimized for creating content and producing content. So with that in mind, our plan is that BEEDOCS Timeline, the main application, will still be focused on the Mac platform. A lot of the new multimedia features we're adding, like being able to put videos inside your timeline, being able to put soundtracks on your timeline, are really best suited for the more powerful computer and resources that come with the Mac. But that said, the iPad seems like a really great way to view content. So we want to make sure that the timelines and the kind of cinematic storytelling produced by BEEDOCS Timeline works great on an iPad, as well as all the other devices we support. Like, we want to make sure these timelines look great on Windows and Macs and the iPad. So that's our plan for now. Timeline creation on the Mac, but timeline presentation on the iPad and a bunch of other devices. In the future, we'll see. I think that if we do build timeline software for the iPad, it's going to be a brand new application. It's not just going to be a new version of BEEDOCS Timeline 3D, but it will be something unique just for the iPad. But I've got a million ideas, and it's really hard to say what we might do in the future. Right now we're focused on this next major release of BEEDOCS Timeline 3D. After that, we'll see. So send us your comments. Let us know if you're going to buy an iPad and what you think you'll use it for. It'll be really interesting to see this new device and how people are using it. Thanks.